Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change and customize the background, colors in TradingView so your charts look exactly how you like. If this helps you hit like so more traders can find it. First, open the chart you want to customize and click the chart settings icon at the top right of the screen. From there, you'll see options to change the colors of almost everything on your chart. Under the Style tab, you can customize features like candlesticks, HLC bars, Renko bars, line charts, and more. You can pick colors that make it easier for you to read the charts, or just to match your personal preference. If you want to change the background, grid lines, text, or crosshair colors, go to the Background tab in the chart settings. Here, you can adjust each element individually to create a setup that's comfortable for your eyes and easy to analyze. Another quick tip is the Toggle Theme button. This lets you switch the entire TradingView platform between dark and light mode. Dark mode is easier on the eyes in low light, while light mode can feel cleaner during the day. And that's it. Now you know how to fully customize your TradingView chart colors and background, so your workspace is visually perfect for your trading style. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want more TradingView customization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.